Is your sofa looking tired and dull, but you're not ready to invest in a brand new one? A simple sofa cover can instantly refresh your living room without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll explore creative and budget-friendly sofa cover ideas that not only protect your furniture, but also give your space a completely fresh look. Whether you're aiming for cozy, modern, or elegant, there's a style here for you. A sofa cover is a removable fabric layer designed to fit over your sofa. It works as a protective shield against stains, dirt, and wear while offering you a chance to change the overall look of your room whenever you want. 4. Step-by-step practical guide. First, measure your sofa's dimensions to ensure a perfect fit. Choose the type of cover, stretch fit, slipcover, or a simple throw blanket. Select a fabric that matches your lifestyle: cotton for breathability, polyester for durability, or velvet for a luxurious feel. Pick colors or patterns that blend with your interior design. Place the cover neatly, tucking it into the cushions for a smooth, polished look. Add matching or contrasting cushions to complete the transformation. You don't need much, just a measuring tape, sofa cover of your choice, and cushion accessories. If you opt for custom covers, fabric scissors and pins may be helpful. Quick tips: go for darker shades if your sofa gets a lot of use, as they hide stains better. Washable fabrics make maintenance easier. Mix textures, like pairing a velvet cover with cotton cushions to add depth. Cost comparison: a brand new sofa can cost anywhere between $300 to $1,000 or more. A high-quality sofa cover usually ranges from $30 to $120. Even custom-made covers rarely exceed $200, making them a smart, budget-friendly choice. Measure gives select fabric, and style gives fit the cover gives adjust and tuck gives. Add cushions and accessories gives enjoy a refreshed sofa look. Notes: interior designers often recommend neutral sofa covers because they provide a timeless backdrop. You can then refresh the look seasonally by swapping out cushion covers or throws, keeping your space stylish without constant big changes. Sofa covers are an affordable and versatile way to breathe new life into your living room. With the right fabric, style, and accessories, your old sofa can look brand new in minutes. If you found these sofa cover ideas inspiring, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more home styling tips, and share it with someone who's looking to refresh their living room on a budget.